How to use proxy server on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone quick tips. First, open your device setting, tap on Wi-Fi, and then tap on I button. Scroll down to the bottom. You can see configure proxy. Tap on it, then tap on manual. Here is the thing. Tap on server and type your proxy IP here. Then type the proxy port number. To enter your username and password, turn on authentication toggle. Now type your username and password. When you are done, tap on save at the top right corner. And that's it.